Good morning, everyone. I'm back, minus a little hospital staycation. Not wanted, but oh well, such is life. But we're alive, we're kicking, we're just taking it really slow now. Apparently, age and stroke and heart attack catches up with you at some point in your life. Go figure. But enough about me. You mean it's not about me? It's not, I promise. Okay, so here we go. We have the Pierre Cardin intake, scrubbed, clean, taped off so we can give it that nice new lick of paint like it's supposed to have. So we're doing a little bit at a time because it's not the warmest outside, but it's just barely warm enough to paint, but I need to get some things done today. So we're gonna get this done and I'll pull the valve covers out, get those done, and just give them a little bit longer than normal to dry, and we'll be perfectly fine. Sorry about the noise, they're picking up our trash. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll show you the finished product and the starting on the valve covers in a little bit. Have a good morning, guys. And we're back. So, it's taking a little bit longer to dry, which I don't like, but it is what it is. So, it's coming out nice, I will say that. But we ran into a problem. Now, this piece is ready to go, it's just drying. So no problem. Now, when I took the valve covers off, they had what looked like runs on them. So I started painting. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's got what appears to be runs again. And it's not. So there's something that was used on these valve covers at some point that made them have a contamination that's soaked in. So now I've got to clean them again and figure out what in the world is on them. So I'm going to change the acetone out that I used for a different one. Maybe use a grease and wax remover and redo them. Yay. But that one is coming out so nice. Factory color right back on it again. Cannot wait. It's going to look so nice when it's done. The top half of this engine is going to be beautiful. And then we can start making the rest of the car run better and get it up on the lift and get things done. Oh, I can't wait. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys go, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And we're back again for time number 3. They've been scrubbed with 4 different cleaners, and there's still some sort of contamination on the metal. Now, this is the driver's side. So you guys can see the lines in it. I haven't even gotten to paint it yet. So it got a gentle cleaning when I pulled it out of the car, just so I didn't get grease in the car at all. So you can see the lines and the discoloration all over the place. So now, the intake looks fantastic. It really does. It came out so nice. So, these were all scrubbed with the exact same stuff, dried, and we're still getting contamination on the metal. This piece is fine. And you can see where it's here, here, all on the front still, and on the back. I don't get it. I don't know what I'm not doing. I've used the proper cleaners. The only thing I can put together is there's something that's soaked into the plastic. It's going to take a few more tries to get it off. So we're back at the drawing board on these, but that looks really good. Really, really good. So I'll rewash these, re-scrub, re-clean, re-sand, and hopefully we can get it solved. Okay. She's pretty. Came out nice. I mean, all the detail is there like it's supposed to be. Everything got cleaned. So we'll have a new EGR gasket coming. We've already checked the flow on the EGR. It's good. There's no problems. So that'll go back on. Oil cap, distributor lockdown, good. But as you can tell, we're still having a little bit of an issue. So I'm going to clean them again and see if I can't get whatever it is off. I've strengthened the cleaner a little bit. So it's getting better, but it's not perfect. So if I can't do anything this time around, like you can see right there, if I can't get it this time around, then it's just going to be, it is what it is. I mean, I'm not going to keep doing the same thing and it not working and expecting it to work. That's the perfect scenario for being insane. Or is it delusional? Well, look where I work. I've got to be insane and delusional. But yeah, letting everything dry so that I know it's real good. And we'll give it another shot. I'll clean them all up again and shoot them. But well, this has been taking a lot longer than planned on because I didn't think these things were going to be that bad. It is what it is, though. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. But that looks so nice. All right, guys. Well, I need to get back to work, and we'll let you go. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the finished product. Unfortunately, way more time in it than what I wanted to be able to do, but so much nicer. All the parts came out absolutely beautiful. This thing is going to be gorgeous when I'm done because I'm going to give it every ounce of everything I can to make sure that it's perfect. So the next step's going to be, excuse me guys, sorry, I'm still not 100% after being in the hospital. I'm going to go through and start double checking all the vacuum lines, replacing any of them that even look remotely close to being weak or bad. They're going to get yanked and replaced. So, and I already know a couple of them are a little harder than what they need to be. So we'll start yanking them out and replacing hoses and getting this thing ready to go back to being an absolutely gorgeous car that it is. I gotta detail it again, it got so dusty over here. But I didn't want to leave this all outside to dry because the wind's been picking up and I don't want to take any chances of ruining the paint. So, but yeah, I know this is gonna be a short one, but I'm tired already. It's time to go home and go to bed and rest so I can get better. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Love y'all.